What's going on, everybody? This is Matt with the Breezy Broadcasters. Today we're going to preview a goofy video of something we were kind of messing around with. As you can see on the table here, we've got some sodas. We've got a diet. We've got a regular cola, a couple other colas, and we're going to try some Mentos Volcanoes. Right here we've got some powder that we're going to pour in and see if it affects it any differently. This one here we're going to do just 2 in 1 just to see a basic funnel, and then here we're going to drop 7 in each of these at the same time and see what kind of volcano we can get out of it. So here we go. Let's see what. Okay, as you can see right here, we are doing a basic cola. We're going to drop 2 Mentos in there. Abigail's going to do the honors of doing the first one. Let's see what it does. Drop both of them in there at the same time. That ain't gonna work. Go. Alright, here we go. Oh! Oh! Oh, I didn't go very long.
Yeah.
Go for it, Colton. Get your swig off of it. Well, that's a dang long tongue. You could probably touch the bottom of that bottle with your tongue.
Ew. My turn. My turn.
Alright, so we got it. We got it up to about right here. Didn't get real high. Alright, let's move on to the next. Okay, next we're going to do just a basic cola. And we crumbled up. Matter of fact, we ground it up and made a powder out of the Mentos. And Abigail here is going to hold the funnel, and Colton's going to pour this in here, and they're going to take off running and try not to get all sticky.
My beautiful assistant here. And Ahsoka is licking my toes.
Alright, here we go. Let's give it a try. Let's see what we get out of it.
Ready?
You have to pour it and then take off running. Alright, go, go, go.
Oh, I didn't put on. Oh, that was way
No, that didn't do much, did it?
Most of it went on the table. Look at the gas.
Yeah, I think we
coming
got
off
most of it.
There's gas coming off the top.
Yeah, I see it. Did I miss anything?
Oh, it burns.
Go ahead, swig it.
Oh.
Oh! I think we got more powder on the table than we did in there. Go ahead, try to swig it. I'm laughing.
Can you
It
taste the mint?
pressures up when you got it sealed.
Do you taste the mint in there?
Alright, so that one didn't go real high either. It went up about that high, so it didn't go up as high either way. So, okay, next, here we go. We've got cola, and we've got Diet Pepsi. We're going to give it a try and see. We're going to drop 7, count them, 7
1, 2, 3, 4,
Mentos
5, 6, 7.
in each bottle. So evenly, they're both going to have 7 in there.
Mine's already clicked.
And she already dumped. Dump them in there, hurry. Dump them all in. All of them. Get them all in there.
All of them.
Hurry,
Go,
hurry,
go,
hurry.
go.
Hurry. Hurry.
I got it.
That's funny. Good one.
Keep pushing them out. It's like, no.
Just use that one if it pops out
Don't
again.
put it in here.
I don't know what happened to the lid.
Okay, so that one got up to around here. No, you already did one.
Alright.
Okay.
That one
Now
didn't
we're
do
gonna
too great, I guess. It's about the same as the other one. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, Abigail. Try to get them all in there at one time. As
If
fast
you want
as
me
you
to
can.
split with you, I can.
Alright, here you go. As fast as you can. Oh, that jumped in there quick.
Oh, nasty.
There you go.
Is that all of them?
I guess. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so that one got up to here, and this one
I
got
think the diet worked
to
a little
here.
better.
The diet
It
one,
does.
the diet one is the best
It's
to
still
do.
fizzing in the bottle.
Yeah, it still does have a little fizz going on in there.
Look at this one right here. Look at this one right here.
Ooh. Let's find out.
Actually, hold on. I got it. Alright, we're going to give this a try. I've got 5 Mentos. I'm going to drop them in here and cap it and try to let it pressure up. And I'm going to shake it a little bit and try to open it. If I can open it.
We're gonna have to shoot
And
it
I'm
out
gonna
that
shoot
way.
it. I'm going to shoot at Colt. No.
Moving target.
Alright, you ready? Yeah, let's see if I can make it where y'all can see. Y'all ready? Alright.
Put the lid on, put the lid on.
I
Alright.
don't know.
I don't think it's working.
Let's hope
Not
so.
pressuring up. Oh, kinda.
Can I shake it up a little bit?
Chicken dirt.
Can I shake it up a little bit?
It's not pressuring up very much.
Let's pour a little bit of the cola in there.
Probably pulled all the carbon out of it when we did the
Just
first
throw
one.
it.
No, that was a flop.
Here,
That's
put some of
alright.
this in there.
yeah.
Put some of this in there.
That's not gonna work.
It might. Hope so.
And then shake it up.
It's just flat soda now.
It is flat. Very flat.
In the
I
grass.
drink it.
See, it doesn't even bubble when you pour it.
He dropped it.
There's still some in here. Oh, there it goes. It's bubbling some.
Here, put the lid
Get
on.
ready to shoot. He's getting in those Mentos.
The lid. It's right there in the grass.
Got some movement. Woo! It's doing it.
Here we go.
Shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it like bacon. Like bacon.
Shake it like bacon.
I don't think it's gonna work.
I hope
Shake it like
so.
a salt shaker.
I'm gonna try
Shake
to
it like
squeeze
me.
it.
Let me see one of the
Yeah,
lids.
throw it towards
Watch out.
Here, open the lid.
Okay.
I got it.
Let Colton do it.
No,
It's doing it.
Let me see one of
that
the
ain't
lids.
gonna work. Oh well.
Drink it.
We try.
There we go. Best geyser yet. Man hands.
Let me see those two.
See, look, it's not Min toes, it's Min hands.
I was gonna do something. No, I wanna do that one.
Ooh, this one's all gooey. Eee, this one's nasty.
I wanna do it. I wanna
Watch
do it.
out.
Pour it on a soca. Pour it on a soca. Can I pour some? Can I pour some water?
Working on the railroad all day long. Mentos! Mentos!
Alright, thanks for joining everybody.
Bye.
Sorry some of it was a flop, but
Have a brew.
We've decided to add an extra experiment. And we don't recommend you do it at home just in case. It might be very, very much harmless, but we're going to see. So how many Mentos are you going to put in your mouth, Colton?
Uno mas.
Just one?
4. You gotta put all of them in there. If you're gonna do this, you gotta do it right.
What if I die?
You won't
You're not
die.
going to die.
I might. What if I die, though?
You ready? You gotta tip your head back. Alright.
He can't even hold it in his mouth. They're still in there.